I'm Dr. Patterson from Hollywood Animal Hospital. This is Sasha and my dog Roscoe. Today we're going to be talking about what you should have in your pet's emergency kit. So it's very important living in South Florida that you have an emergency kit since we are in an area that gets hurricanes. We do have a lot of exotic animals such as toads and snakes. If your pet gets hit by a car, it's always important to have a few things on hand so that you're able to get your pet to an emergency hospital where they can be seen. So what I have in Roscoe's first aid kit is a little leash, just to be able to properly restrain him. I also have a muzzle in case he gets hurt. Sometimes they'll be prone to bite you just because they're painful, or if he's in a situation that he's not used to, sometimes they'll become aggressive, just trying to protect themselves and you. Also, it's important to have an up-to-date photo of your pet in your emergency kit, microchip information in case they get lost, or if they have to go to a shelter, sometimes they'll ask that you have microchip information and also an up-to-date vaccine history on your pet. So if you go to a shelter, if you end up having to board your pet, sometimes, or pretty much every time, they'll ask you to have an up-to-date vaccine history. And also, the reason that we ask that you get your pets vaccinated is so that they don't get these diseases, and when they're in shelter situations, you don't always know what other pets have, so it's going to help your pet stay safe. The other thing that you should keep in your emergency kit would be hotel information, a list of pet-friendly hotels. ASPCA has a lot of information on pet-friendly hotels. The Broward Humane Society website also has information on shelters that allow pets to come and stay with them, but you have to register early for those. So the beginning of hurricane season is always best to register for shelters. And also make sure you have enough food and water for your pets for about a week or so. If you have any pets that have pre-existing health conditions, it's important that you have them checked out by your veterinarian prior to an emergency situation if you know that there's a hurricane coming, just so that they can get all of the medications that they need and just basically make sure everything's okay with them going into the storm. So that's what I have in Roscoe's emergency kit, and that's it.